Take a look here. New video from a cruise where an American tourist may have been murdered. Take a look. This is video of the ship at port when it arrived in Aruba after a 52-year-old woman died on the Royal Princess cruise. Authorities are still investigating. Was this an accident? Was she killed? A Princess Cruise spokesman says the FBI is now involved. Her cause of death has not been released, but the incident was reported to local authorities. Now, the Royal Princess is on a 7-day Caribbean round-trip cruise, is expected back in Fort Lauderdale on Saturday. So the cruise line released a statement saying this: "We are deeply saddened by this incident and offer our sincere condolences to the family and those affected." Joining me now, maritime attorney Glenn Holzberg. Glenn, this cruise ship is still out at sea. In terms of evidence, how is that protected at all if it's still out?
Hi, Susan. It's only protected by the efforts of the cruise line. We know that they have surveillance cameras on all public areas and on the whole of the vessel, all sides. So if they preserve the tape, if they preserve the evidence at the scene, whatever they would normally do in a criminal investigation, then the evidence will be available. However, it's solely within their control. And that's frustrating to lawyers oftentimes, or prosecutors when they're trying to develop a case.
Yeah, there's a lot of ifs there. So if that was my family member, you would think they would cut the trip short, bring the cruise ship back, because they have a lot of control, you would say, in terms of what evidence is preserved.
They have complete control. The captain is the master of the vessel. He or she makes all the decisions. And unfortunately, I always encourage my clients, if they call from the ship, which is rare, preserve your own evidence. Take pictures, video, get statements. Most people aren't thinking of that. Certainly in a tragedy like this, they're thinking about their loved one and their own situation. And when that happens, oftentimes the evidence just isn't available. But with a crime of this nature, there should be extra precautions, and there should be evidence that's protected. In this case, it's going to depend upon the local authorities, because I don't even think the FBI is on the ship yet. Hopefully they will be, but they do have jurisdiction since this is a U.S. citizen.
I wasn't aware of that. Just bizarre that they have complete control. Glenn Holzberg, thank you. We'll be watching that in the investigation.